Hi everybody, thanks for visiting. I hope you're having a great day. I am in Georgia, about an hour from Savannah, and I think I'm going to go to Hilton Head Island today. I've heard about it and I've never checked it out. The rain is kind of around me. It may catch me in the next couple of days again, but let's take off. Bye. The rain is probably going to be with us the whole time we're on Hilton Head Island, but I just really couldn't pass it. Well, it's 5 o'clock. I'm about an hour from Hilton Head Island, the place that I put in to actually go eat. And according to my weather map, I'm in a little lull in the rain right now, but right behind it is coming some horrendous downfalls. And I don't know if Hilton Head Island has parking for me tonight. So by the time I got there, it'd be 6. By the time I got done eating, it's going to be 7:30. So it's going to be dark, and I've got to find my way either to a place to park or back into the mainland, and then find a place to park. So I thought, the best thing to do is to just stay on the mainland and continue on to Charleston and kind of get back ahead of this. It's a huge, nasty looking storm that's coming across. But if I hadn't taken a nap in Kroger's, I would have been okay. But, when you're tired, you're tired. And when you got your bed in the back, it's kind of like it's very tempting to just curl up and take just a little nap. It ended up being most of the afternoon. I guess I was exhausted from yesterday. I have booked a campground for the night. I'm in South Carolina, and I realize that South Carolina does not let you stay at the rest stops. Big signs, no overnight camping, this area patrolled. 30-minute parking during the day. Really tough. Right down from where I parked, there's this really neat hiking trail. So I put on my hiking boots and gonna get a little bit of exercise. Hopefully I won't hurt my foot too bad. I like trails like this through the woods. It's a nice cool day. That rain that came in took some cool weather. I was actually cold last night. The pine trees smell wonderful out here. I don't have the best sense of direction, and this trail keeps dividing. So I keep thinking, okay, I certainly hope I don't get lost back in here. But I know that I came this way on this divide. Yeah, here's this boardwalk again. So yeah, this is the right way. One of the reasons I paid for this campground is because it had electricity and it had showers, and it took a senior pass, the America the Beautiful pass, which knocks a lot off. Most of them it knocks off half. Let's go look at this campground in the morning. This is a really pretty one. It's quiet. It's small. Listen to the birds. Aren't they great? So we are about to leave this campground in South Carolina. I want to give you a quick look at the van this morning. I did some things different that gave me a little bit more storage area. Here's the back of the van, my bed area. The kitty litter used to go right under there, but the porta potty fits perfect. This Hobo Joe on the go, I'll have to tell you the story about that crazy shirt. And then my favorite aunt, she found me where home is where you park it, and she was just so delighted when she gave it to me at Isn't it sweet? But this is up above. Got that little gecko so I can remember Arizona. Yeah, my windows. But what I wanted to show you is in the front of the van. Let me get up real quick. There's my garden and my picket fence. I gotta have a picket fence. Anyway, what I did is I took the seat out, left it at storage, my daughter's storage area in Fort Worth, and then I can put my refrigerator right there so it's easy to get to, right there by where I cook. See, that's where I cook. My stove and stuff are up above just to the left of that basket. The thing in the windshield, that's my straw bear. I love bears, so that's my straw bear. But underneath the refrigerator is one of the tubs, and it actually has all my craft stuff in it. I'm a painter, so I had to bring all my paints with me. And I think I'm going to put the second tub on top of that holds all the tools. It'll raise my refrigerator up a little bit, but that'll be okay. And of course you have to have your Jackery. That's the Jackery 1000. I really like it. It has come in very handy for running that refrigerator. But anyway, we are leaving this campground this morning, and come along with me. Oh, have I ever showed you this? This is, that's my doorknob, or my door handle. It's a bear. See, I like bears. Anyway, see you later, guys. Well, we're leaving the campground. I think it's going to be a fabulous day. The rain has stopped. The sun is shining. It's about maybe 70 degrees. Perfect weather. Looks like I'm just going up into the sky. Beautiful.